Hi, this is Muscle, and this is Entertainment Report News. Fast rising dancehall entertainer Jahshii once again found himself before the court after breaching Jamaica's Disaster Risk Management Act. The DJ appeared before the Kingston and St. Parish Court yesterday after officers stopped motor vehicles traveling along Red Hills Road at 3:45 a.m. Jahshii and his colleagues were cooperative with the officers and told them they were coming from a party in Brooke Valley, Duhaney Park, St. Andrew. Senior Parish Judge Lori-Ann Cole-Montague imposed a fine of $50,000 on the 25-8 DJ for breaching national curfew measures or alternative of 6 months in prison. Earlier this month, similar DRMA charges against Jahshii and dancehall producer / artist Dane Ray were dismissed after the entertainer appeared in the St. Elizabeth Parish Court. The two men, who were both represented by attorney-at-law Thomas Levine, had also pleaded guilty to charges of not wearing a mask. However, they were not fined. Last December, in a controversial interview with the Entertainment Report, Jahshii had labeled the Jamaican police as the epitome of corruption and criticized veteran artists such as Shabba Ranks for being afraid of up-and-coming artists like himself. The DJ made his recording debut at the tender age of 4 in 2004. In 2006, at 16, Jahshii entered the wildly popular Unruly Clash hosted by Popcorn, where he was first runner-up. Some of his most popular songs include Keep Up, Creep Up the Crop, and 25-8. Thank you for watching.